Good morning, my wonderful little explorers. Are you ready to embark on a magical journey into the wild world of animals? Today, we're going to discover creatures big and small, fluffy and scaly that roam our planet. So put on your adventure hats and get ready to roar like lions, swing like monkeys, and slither like snakes as we dive into the fascinating world of animals. Are you ready to dive into the enchanting realm of animals? Let's embark on a journey filled with excitement, discovery, and lots of furry, scaly, and feathery friends. Animals are alive. Worms and whales, beetles and bears, bunnies and kittens, goldfish and snails. What do they all have in common? They are all animals. You're an animal, too. They can have babies. Baby animals grow up and become adult animals. Then they have babies of their own. Animals can move around. Often they move around to find something to eat. Activity. Create a scrapbook of animals encountered in daily life. You are going to make a scrapbook of animals you know in your daily life, such as pets, animals, including birds that you see outside every day, animals you enjoy at the zoo. These are all animals. Animals come in all sizes and shapes. Some animals are smaller than your thumbnail. Think of how small an ant is. Some animals are huge. A blue whale is as long as 3 fire trucks. We put animals in groups, depending on how their bodies are shaped and the ways they live. Here are some animal groups to read about. Let's talk about the shape of their bodies. Insects and spiders are tiny. There are millions of different kinds of them. Insects all have 6 legs. Spiders all have 8 legs. Some insects have wings and fly. Some do not. Now let's count the legs on this ant. Can you tell the difference between legs and antennae? You are right. As you can see, legs are long and straight. They are attached to the ant's body from underneath. Legs help ants move around and carry food. And antennae are small and bendy. They stick out from the ant's head like tiny antennas on a TV. Antennae help ants smell and talk to each other. Let's count the ant's legs. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The ant has 6 legs! Good job, it has 6 legs. Is it an insect or a spider? Yes, it's an insect. Like the insects, this animal has 2 antennae in front. Let's point to its head. Now count the legs together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 legs. Is it an insect or a spider? Good job. It's an insect. Let's count the body parts of the 2 insects. 1, 2, 3. Now, this one. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Birds. Birds are animals that have wings and feathers. Wings and feathers help birds fly. Birds can walk, too. This bird is using wings to fly in the air. Now let's find 2 wings. Yes, they are here. How many legs does this bird have? Right, 2. It can walk, too. Fish. Fish are animals that live underwater. They have fins and tails. They flap their fins and wave their tails to move and swim through the water. They find their food underwater. Have you ever gone fishing? Or you have seen fish in the market or on the dinner table? We catch fish and eat them. The fish in this photo are alive. You can visit a pet shop to see live fish up close. Let's talk about reptiles and amphibians. Snakes and lizards are called reptiles. Reptiles are animals that can live in dry places. Frogs and toads are called amphibians. Amphibians must live near water. Frogs live in water some of the time and on land some of the time. How it would feel to touch this frog's skin. Yeah, smooth and slippery. And let's look at this picture. You can see that the spots on this frog protect it. So when it hides in the weeds, other animals can't see it. How it would feel to touch this friendly lizard's skin. Yeah, dry, bumpy tough. Now let's count the toes on the lizard's front foot together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. There are 5 toes on the lizard's front foot. Now let's talk about mammals. Mammals are animals with warm bodies. They grow hair on their bodies. The hair, or fur, that they grow on their bodies helps to keep them warm. Some mammals walk on 4 legs. Some mammals walk on 2 legs. Some mammals use their arms or even their tails to balance and move around. Mother mammals make milk with their bodies. Baby mammals drink their mother's milk. Now, can you tell me if cats are mammals? Do they have hair or fur? Yes, they have hair or fur. What are these baby kittens doing? They are drinking milk from their mother. That must mean that a cat is a mammal. You're all doing great, and I'm proud of you for being curious and engaged learners. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all next time.